Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to book customer receipts in VT software. I have created two invoices, as you can see, sales 001 and sales 002 to customer 001 and 002, and amount is 1500 and 2200. Now I'll go into the transaction menu. Here you will get option of receipts. Fine. And this is the shortcut key of receipts. Now first of all you need to select the bank, then after receive from, here you need to enter the name of the customer. So I'm going to book receipt of customer 001 and amount is 1500. So let me enter customer 001. I'll enter the full amount. I'm not going to charge any VAT because at the time of generation of sales invoices I have already charged VAT. Fine. Now in ledger I'll select the customer 001 and simply save the transaction. So as you can see, this is the transaction. Once you click here, you will get this kind of display. So from here you can edit the transaction, you can delete transaction, you can change type, you can reverse all amounts, you can make copy of transaction. Fine. Now let's set off receipt against sales bills. So for that purpose I'll come into the customer. Okay, so as you can see, sales invoice and receipt. So you need to select the both transaction, so it will remove from open entries tab. Fine. And for match off you need to click here. Fine. So it has been removed from open entries tab, and you can access all the transaction in current year tab. And to undo the process you need to click here. Fine. Let's match off again. Now let's make payment of customer 002, but this time I'm going to make partial payment. Okay, bill amount is 2200 and I'm going to make payment in two parts. Select bank, then change the date. Receive from customer 002 1000, customer 002, and save. Now let's set off receipt against sales invoices. Now you need to select the transaction and you need to click here. After set off, the transaction will be appear here unless and until you make the full receipt of bill. Okay, once you receive full amount it will remove from open entries tab. Now let's make pending amounts transaction. Okay, 1200 is pending amount, so 1200, customer 002, and save. Customer 002. Now simply select the transaction and click on this button, match of selected entries. So as you can see, it has been removed from open entries tab, and to undo the process you need to select the transactions. Fine. So in this manner we can book customer receipt in VT software. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.